Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. As we usher in the new year, our dolls are investing in beauty and self-care. So in today's video, we show you how to DIY a two-sided beauty and skincare display unit. It's perfect for storing your American Girl doll makeup and skincare products. It also doubles as a great pop-up shop for when your dolls want to buy or sell beauty products. As mentioned before, this unit is double-sided to maximize play. The second side has a different design to display all your doll's skincare products. Although our beauty display stand is inspired by American Girl style and color palette, you can customize yours to be whatever suits your dollhouse aesthetic. If you enjoy this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to help us get to 5K. So let's get making! For this craft, we are recycling a large sheet of 10mm foam board, and we'll strip it back so we can build the first side of our display unit. Trim the panel to be 55cm high by 36cm wide. Next, we will extend the window opening by drawing an arch under the bottom edge. Cut this part away to give our display a unique shape. Cover the top 2/3 of the panel with pink paper. We are using wrapping paper since it's cheap and you get a lot on the roll. To frame the window, cut a long thin strip of 5mm foam board. Because it needs to curve, we made a series of partial cuts through the center of the foam board. This way we can snap the foam board, making it malleable, and then follow the curve of our opening. Adhere the foam board around the window, noting that the side strips are longer than the length of the window opening. Next, we cut rectangles of 5mm foam board for shelves, then glued them into the opening. The first is spaced 5cm apart, then 6cm and 7cm for the tallest shelf. From more foam board, we built a box that spans the width of our panel. It is glued under the window and helps the panel stand upright. To close the gap, we traced our arch onto paperboard and covered it with gold pinstripe paper, affixing it behind the window. We decorated the box with some specialty gold cardstock and added clusters of AG stars around the sides. The stars are cut from pink, white, red and gold paper, and some are cut from fun foam to give them more dimension. To imitate lights and add that bling, we stuck gold sticker gems around the box and over the arch. Then used gold scrapbook letters to spell our beauty sign. We adhered the letters with glue to the opening above the top shelf. They contrast nicely with the hot pink paper. Cut and paint black small lengths of barbecue skewer and glue them into the sides, giving you more spaces to display your beauty items. Here, we are using the hooks to display smaller doll items like mascara and blusher. Have fun displaying all your AG makeup. Or you can DIY some like we did in our Chanel makeup video. We also have a new makeup tutorial coming soon. On the flip side of the unit, glue a long strip of poster board that is wider than the window. We covered ours in the same gold pinstripe paper. This time, our shelves are cut from black 5mm foam board. Since these shelves are as tall as our unit, we are using the long Foamworks metal ruler to help us make our cuts. Glue down the back and side walls for the left and right shelf. For the center of the unit, we made circular display shelves. They are simply paperboard rings covered in hot pink wrapping paper. And we glued rectangles of foam board in between for shelves. Adhere 2 circles to the top half of the unit. And we arranged more stars around the shelves for decoration. Across the top, we will add a sign made from foam board and more scrapbook letters, this time painted hot pink, But first we will need to add in our shelves. We opted to close off the top and bottom, leaving space in the middle for just 2 shelves. But you can customize to have as many openings as you'd like. Next, we will build additional counter space at the bottom of the unit. Here, we traced around an IKEA toy box lid to get the countertop shape. Then measured and cut notches that correspond with the shelves of the unit. This way, the counter can slide out and be freestanding. Once again, we made partial cuts in the foam board of our front panel so it can align with the countertop. Then cut and glue in more foam board to close up the back of the counter. We like how the counter can double as a bench for our dolls to sit when they are tired from shopping. Now cover the foam board in more hot pink wrapping paper and add a contrasting strip of the gold pinstripe. Since wrapping paper is very thin, it doesn't create any bulk, so the counter can still slip inside the display unit. Excellent! Our beauty and skincare shop is complete. Get busy stocking the shelves with product. We also have DIYs to help you make your dolls their own custom skincare range. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!